Now, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to hide and unhide rows and columns. And in this case, it's a great example because we have lots of personal information. We have people's salary, we have their raises, we have very sensitive things like their social security number, which we might not want to actually throw up on a projector or onto a printout. So what we can do is we can, for instance, highlight column F. And there's a couple of ways to pull this off. Up here in the home part of the ribbon, we can go to Format, and we can go to Hide and Unhide, and we can hide columns because that's what we've got selected here. Hide columns is what this is. And when you do that, it collapses down and it basically disappears. Now, notice very carefully, if you look between E and G, see E, F, G, F is basically gone, but there is a little bit of a remnant that it's there. It's a little visual indication to remind you that that's being hidden. Let me undo that. We'll bring it back. Let me right click. Instead of going up to the format menu, you can do the same thing by going to the right click menu, hide, and the same sort of thing happens. Now if I go back to the file menu and if I go to print, I can get a print preview of what I am about to print here, and I can see that there is no social security number on that page. On the second page there's no social security number. So the bottom line is whenever you hide a row or a column in Excel, what you're really doing is you're taking it away from the screen and you're taking it away from the printout. It's still there. It's not that it's gone. It's just not visible anymore. Now, in order to bring it back, to unhide it, what you need to do is highlight the two columns that go on either side. And there's a couple of different ways. You can go to the ribbon, hide and unhide. You can go to unhide columns, or you could, while it's highlighted, just right click and go to unhide. And when you unhide it, it all pops back into place. Now you can do exactly the same thing with the rows. Let's say I have a row here and I want to hide Fred. For some reason, Fred is no longer with the company or something. I can go up to Format and click Hide, or I can just simply right click, go to Hide, and Fred is no longer in there. And if I go to Print, there is no Fred anywhere in this printout anymore. And if I'd like to bring him back, I can just highlight around him, right click, and go to Unhide. Now the final thing I'll say is you can hide and unhide multiple rows at the same time. If I want to hide everybody but Jason, I just highlight all three, right click, and go to Hide there. And then finally, if I have lots of things hidden across the worksheet and I want to bring everything back, instead of hunting around for all these little symbols everywhere to kind of clue me in, I can just select the entire worksheet by clicking up here between the row A, or the column A and the first row, selecting everything, right click, and hit unhide. That's going to unhide everything at once in the worksheet. And the final thing I'll show you is that if you want to hide two different columns, let's say we want to hide the amount of the raise, and we want to hide the social security number, and we want to hide the annual salary, let's say. Then we can select these columns individually by, we'll select B. In order to select D, we'll hit the control button, hold the control button down while we click, keep the control button held down while we click again. That's how you select multiple rows or multiple columns in a worksheet. We can either right click on a column header and hit hide, or we can just go up to the format menu, hide and unhide, hide columns, and then all of those columns will be collapsed down. So then we can see everybody's name, the percentage of their raise, their yearly sales, and this one person's phone number. We can highlight the entire sheet. Sometimes in order to unhide, you have to click on the column header there. Once you have everything selected, unhide, and then there you go. Or you could use the format button over there. So that is a quick synopsis of how you hide and unhide columns. It's a pretty common feature actually. Depending on what department you're in, what you're doing, you might want to hide certain things just to make it more visible. Maybe you want to emphasize the conclusions that your calculations are showing without showing all of the background data. So you can have it in your worksheet. It's all there. You can bring it up very quickly, but you can hide it so that you can easily print it and show it to your colleagues.